Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So we are going to be doing our Walmart grocery haul and our weekly meal plan. Now if you hear somebody in the background, that's just Jared breaking down the turkey so we can have leftovers for the next couple of days or weeks. But anyways, be sure to subscribe down below if you would like some of these videos. Now, we are going to be cooking next week, even though we will have some turkey left over. We will have that for lunch. But over here, we have some chicken wings, and we are going to have some wings this weekend, or this week coming up. So it's on the meal plan. I did not fill out the weekly meal plan paper because we have been running around because I'm filming this on Black Friday. It is like 11 o'clock at night. I'm super tired and the meal plan is actually on my phone, but I'm going to tell y'all what we are going to have. First off, we are going to have breakfast sometime this week, as always, and we will have 2 leftovers that will consist of whatever we cook this week or the turkey and dressing and all that stuff. So, again, we're having chicken wings next week. We're having fish. So, this is tilapia. It is on clearance that I picked up. Jared wanted some flour tortillas because we're actually going to have tacos. We had taco seasoning. Jared picked up some hummus. Jared wanted some cream cheese, sour cream, Funyuns because I'm actually going to be working night shift on Sunday. So, I needed a snack so I don't go upstairs. It is that time of the year for some hot chocolate, so this was only like $1. Taco shells for tacos. I eat the hard shells and Jared eats the soft tacos. I like making a taco salad with this, so I'm super excited. We needed plain panko breadcrumbs for the cauliflower, so we are going to try a new recipe. It will be a buffalo cauliflower, and it's supposed to taste like... I don't know what it's supposed to taste like, but it's supposed to be it's supposed to substitute, I guess, the chicken maybe for like vegetarian people. You can have cauliflower, buffalo cauliflower. So it's supposed to be good and that it requires panko breadcrumbs. Anyways, Jared wanted some cheese, zucchini, and then we have asparagus for the fish, I believe. Mangoes because they were on clearance for $2.35. Swiss chocolate for Jared. These wings looked really good. And I was really hungry, but I'm not going to eat it now because it's almost 11 o'clock, you guys. And then Jared wanted some pita chips for his hummus. So pretty much this is like all of what Jared wants. So anyway, so this is our weekly grocery haul. We spent roughly, Jared spent about 32, I spent 24. Roughly about 30, 40, 50, about $60 is how much we spent for this. We still have to go to Sam's, so we might not include that because we're not going to Sam's until either Saturday or Sunday morning, so that will not be included. But we're just going to get our usual milk, eggs, fruit, water. Pretty much that is it, you guys. Alright, so be sure to subscribe. Hopefully y'all are having a great Thanksgiving weekend. Hopefully y'all caught some Black Friday deals like I did. And there should be a video coming out soon. It's going to be before this. So when this video is uploaded, the Black Friday haul is uploaded also. So anyways, I hope y'all have a great weekend. And I will see you guys later. Bye.